Initially, they said they will offer this university bus pass for free, but later they
2022 January intake, half of the accommodation is already filled. If you're coming for the next January 2022, start looking for accommodation now itself. I'll put the referral link below. If you book through that link, you will get 10 pounds off. You just need to fill out the link that I post in the below, so they will contact. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Subin Sajan here. Today we are back at the university. Today my friend here Venkatesh told me I said some wrong information in the last accommodation video about the village. So Venkatesh, what are the things that I said wrong?
everything was fine except that travel, where initially they said they will offer this university bus pass for free, but later they gave up the plan and they asked us to pay 72 pounds per year.
72 per year. You can travel how much time you
Yeah,
want?
that doesn't matter. Any time, like every 20 minutes once you have shuttle bus, university shuttle bus, so you can
72
travel.
pounds per year, I think it's cheap.
Yeah, really it's cheap. When you take
Like
Areva
guys,
bus, like
72 pounds after coming here, you realize if you have started working here, you realize the amount of money you are getting, and 72 pounds is nothing.
in one day.
In one day, nothing. So 72 pounds per year, it's a great deal.
It's very cheap because private bus per day ticket is 4 pounds, so
So it's
with 72 per year is comparatively is
very low.
very cheap,
Very low.
and you can travel
So
in number of
all
times.
the rest about all the accommodation stuff is right. No
Yeah,
problem in that
no
stuff.
problem.
So it's like 10 minutes walk from now, 10 minutes, 30 minutes walk from. If you walk really that fast, you can reach that fast earlier.
It's hardly 1 mile, 1.2 miles.
1.2
maximum.
miles from the University of Leicester to the Orby village. That is the village accommodation. So now I'm going to talk to you about the accommodation stuff. This is the video for the next upcoming students for the January intake. Guys, if you are coming here, you have to pre-book your accommodation. Right now, one of my friend just got settled. After coming in September, he just got settled last week because he didn't pre-book the accommodation. You have to pre-book the accommodation before itself. Like, it will be safe. Once you settle in, you can look for jobs, you can concentrate on your studies, you can do all the stuff, you can go outside. Without the accommodation, you have to stay in private. Like, it is more costly, guys. It is more costly per day they will be charging, so it is more costly. It's better to book an accommodation. Start from now. I think for the January 2022, right? 2022 January intake, half of the accommodation is already filled. Like, I'll post the link below. Like, I came across one site, so it supports students. So it's like I'll put my referral link too. So they came up to me. So he told, Subin, if this guy is too many asking for the accommodation, so can you refer us? Okay, I thought, like, too many guys are asking for the accommodation stuff. Is there to find the cheap stuff, cheap accommodation, like near the university? Like, I have no idea. I have no clue. Like, I am sending someone's contact number only. Like, I haven't met him. That's a landlord or something.
Yeah.
Still, I haven't met them, and he had only 4 houses. That is already filled for 2022. So I came across a site. It's like Amber Students. Amber Students. Yeah, it's Amber Students.
But also, I think for 2022, the private accommodations are almost booked.
Yeah, for 2022, you private accommodation are
Till
almost
September it is
booked.
booked.
Once you confirmed your cash, right away start looking for accommodation, or you can start right away for accommodation now on. You don't have to confirm now. Just keep which type of accommodation you want, what your budget type. That's it. Keep that in mind and start looking from now itself, because it's going to be busy. Because for MEM, for the next 2022, they already closed it.
Yeah.
They closed the intake because it's too many students are there for this
Jan
intake.
intake they have
Like,
already closed.
they like our professors are telling 300 students per batch for the MEM only. 300 students per batch, more than 300 students per batch. That's for the first time. Like, yeah. They told, and they closed the for MEM 2021. Some of my friends from the YouTube asked, bro, why is the MEM is not opened? Like, bro, it's closed.
Better
It's
choose
they
night
close
course.
it early. I think they will open it later. I don't know, guys. I didn't check after that.
No.
Like, you have to thoroughly check it, constantly check it. you have to keep updated on that. Like I'm not checking into that now. So guys, now I'm going to talking about the accommodation. So if you're coming for the next January 2022, start looking for accommodation now itself. I'm going to introduce a site, and that is Amber Student. So it has, so this is actual sites. I'll put all the links below. So it is verified and it is good. So if you know the Trustpilot and the student review, it has 4.8 out of 5 in the Trustpilot, and student review almost like 4.9 something out of 5. So it is trusted, one of the trusted student home away for the accommodation. So it's a basic start from the low, start from the 80 pounds per week. So I'm also trying to move out from the university accommodation because it is too costly, because I don't want to spend that much money on a single small room. If you can go outside and get 80 pounds per week, like you can get a half full with full bed. Like even for me it's now not enough full, it's not even full bed,
Single bed.
it's a single bed. So you'll get bigger rooms and bigger bed, bigger cupboards, kitchen, bathroom and stuff. Like if you go for the private accommodation,
Also,
like
there
you
are-
don't have to worry about any paperwork, nothing. Everything will be done by the customer cares and the associates. So you just need to fill out the referral link, that like are you from India, then you can, there will be a call support from India too. So you don't have to worry about anything. You can just register your name and start looking now itself. I'll put the referral link below. If you book through that link, you will get 10 pounds off of the actual price. And then in India also is available, so you can put Indian number also. If you're coming from any country, you can put that country's number itself, so there will be a customer support from that country. You can check on that. I'll put all the links below for the accommodation for the Amber Students. So that the site name is Amber Students. You just need to fill out the link that I post in the below. So they will contact you, and they can whichever university you are looking for, there is. So they are available around like 250 cities,
250 cities and
800 plus universities. So there is a column to fill out which university are you looking for and what is the radius are you looking for. So the price starts from 80 pounds to like 160 pounds. It's up to your preference. Like if you book early, you'll get cheapest price with good accommodation. Like the only thing is you have to book early.
Also, there are varieties of rooms starting from single room,
Single
ensuite,
room, if you want to, if you are
studio.
going for shared room, single rooms. And you can, if you are coming with 4 or 5 people, you can book one house in that. You just need to put the preference in that we are coming with how many people are only 4, like then you can take one full house and you can go for yourself only. So every profile is verified in this Amber Students. So this site, I'll put all the links below and all the PPTs and stuff in the description. So do check that out. If you're coming to study for the next January 22, please book your accommodation, otherwise it will be a big trouble. So some of my friends, I told you, like now recently only they got settling. All the courseworks, group meetings, that they were not available because he was running for the agreements, he was running looking for properties, house viewing. Like if you're going for house viewing here, they'll put a timing, like you won't be available for that timing.
Even I wasted 1 month.
Yeah,
you know.
like see, he wasted 1 month for looking the
House.
accommodation.
Yeah.
See, if you book the accommodation previously itself, half of your burden is moved. You have to book your accommodation first. That give your priority to that. Just book your accommodation, that finish it, move that to your side, all the troubles will be gone. Like whenever you're coming, you can just move in. You don't have to wait 10 days, 2 days, 15 days. You have to go for any other house viewing stuff. If you don't like the accommodation, just move to another accommodation. You can, there is a possible change. I think you can change that too in the site. If you don't like the accommodation, change it. There is a policy in that too. So you don't have to worry about that. And all the photos and videos that shown in this thing is legitimate. I'm going to check one accommodation. Like I'm also trying to move out from the university. It's like 110 pounds per week. I'm hauling a single bed. That is not worth it.
Really?
Still the university accommodation has perks, but to socialize, mingle, everything, still
Definitely.
if you want to save money, go for private accommodation. You can save up to 200 pounds per week. 200 pounds per week? 200 pounds? No, 200 pounds per month you can save. Like in university accommodation, there is another disadvantage. If you want to wash it, you have to pay for the wash. It's like 4 pounds for washing and 2 pounds for drying. So there is another 75 pounds wastage. So that's it. If you're going for private accommodation, do check the site. I'll put all the links in below. This is Amber Student. It's called Amber Student. Do check their sites. Do fill the forms, and they will contact you. The customer care will be contacting you. You don't have to worry about anything. You just fill out your preferences, and they will be contacting you. You don't have to worry about paperwork and stuff. Just fill the form, and they will contact you guys within 24 hours. So that's it for today. See you guys. Like, lot of the guys are contacting me like for the 2022 batch. So see you guys in here. Do call me or visit me whenever you're seeing me. Say hi. Like, we'll be in touch. No worries. I have no problem meeting new people, meeting new guys. Like, and peace out then. I just came from the gym. So we are in that's a university. We just for this taking this video, we just came from the gym, and this is the Victoria Park. It's pretty freezing. It's like, what's the degree? How much?
10 or 8
It's like 8 degrees Celsius. Feels like. So here the sun will set like after 5, not even 5,
4:30.
4:30 itself. Now the sun will set.
All of a sudden it will be dark.
All of the night everything will be dark, everything covered will night. It's like night.
Feels like
6. It's 8 degree, feels like 6. It's pretty cold out here without the sweater. I'm just using. And there is one more thing, please, you have to buy a thick padded jacket before coming for the January intake, because this year the
It's definitely must.
if you're landing in Heathrow, there will be definitely snow. This year prediction is like everywhere in UK there will be snow. Its prediction is like that. So you have to buy a thick jacket, padded jacket. It will be good, guys. If you buy here, like I bought from the MyGeo, it was cheaper. Like I got IGO, no sorry, IGO, not MyGeo. IGO. I got that from the MyGeo. That my other super dry jacket. So it is good. So it is like 260 pounds here. I got that like 16,000 from India. It was too cheap. Once you get here, you know the price difference. Like 270 and 160 pounds is down that much. If you once you started working. Like another video is coming about the day life and life updates in UK, part-time jobs. I will also include in that. So stay tuned for the next video. See you guys. Peace out. Venkatesh, bye. See you. Peace.